Hey guys, welcome. It's Alana. Welcome. So in this video, I am going to explain to you guys or show you guys how I got these lovely passion twists. I did these on my own, so pat on the back. It took me about 8 hours to do this hairstyle, and the reason why it took me 8 hours is because one, I was doing it on my own on myself, and part in the back of my hair is a struggle. So I did the rubber band method, and part in the back of my hair and then rubber banding my hair on my own with no help. Like I said, it's a struggle. That's one reason why it took me a while. A second reason is because I started off doing the crochet method using my crochet needle, crochet the hair, and I started off with a braid, then twisting it, then I took it out, then I crocheted the hair. I started off with a twist all the way down, didn't like it, took it out. Then I was like, you know what, I'm just going to start off with a braid without crocheting my hair and then twisting it, and this is the results of that. Another reason is because I had complications with the hair, twisting the hair. So I was twisting the hair the wrong way for some of the twists. So as you can see, this is one of the hair that I used. I used two different packs of hair, two different brands, and I'm gonna tell you why in this video. But this, you can see that the pattern of the curl, you have to twist the way the pattern of the curl is. If you don't twist the way the curl is twisting, then it's not gonna come out right, and I was twisting the wrong way. So I had to take out the twist and retwist the hair the correct way. And the last reason is because I had to stop and eat. It took me 8 hours. A girl gotta eat, you know, a girl is hungry. So those are the reason why it took me 8 hours to do my hair. But I actually like the results. Like, it's really nice. It's my first time ever doing this style, especially on myself. I've never done it on anyone else. I don't do hair. Well, I try. I used to. Like when I first went natural a couple years ago, back in 2013, and my hair started to grow, I used to experiment a lot with my hair. This second time around, after I big chopped the second time, I became more of a lazy natural, and I rather pay people to do my hair. But I'm like, you know what? I might as well just start learning how to do my hair again and save a couple bucks by doing it by myself, because honestly, 2 packs of hair, and my hair cost me like what, 20 something dollars to do on my own, just only because I bought the hair. And I'm thinking also that I want to learn how to do hair, so I'm just going to start practicing on myself, probably practice on other people and try to get a hang of it, and then maybe I'll start doing hair. But mostly just for my friends though, not for no one else. Do I really want to do hair? It's time consuming and I'm lazy. So I don't know. I'll think about that. But yes, in this video, I'm just gonna show you guys what I do, my techniques, the products I use, the type of hair I used, and why I use the hair, and you'll see that in a few. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in a few. Hi guys, so I have already started most of my hair. So I've already rubber band most of my hair. I am using the Shine Jam, the original one, and then when this is finished, I'll move over to the Shine Jam Magic Finger Studios one. So I'm just gonna show you guys now how I've been rubber banding my hair. I just have this row left to do, so I'm just gonna start to rubber band. I usually start right here, so start with the front. And then I'm gonna take a rubber band, I'm gonna twist it in two, and then take this piece, that's it, because I've already put the Shine and Jam on this section, so I'm not really gonna put the Shine and Jam on this section again since I've already done it. So I'm just going to just finish making the rest of these sections. So I finished rubber band twisting my hair. This, I have about like 60 something mini ponytails. So I had these here left over from when I did full locks in my hair back in January, and I was going everywhere. Like I went to about 3 beauty supply stores by my area looking for this brand, because I got this brand at my friend's house, at the beauty supply store at my friend's house, and I could not find it. So I ended up getting this brand. So I'm gonna put this in the back of my hair because this brand comes in 18 inches and the brand that I had before comes in 20 inches. So I'm just gonna use these to do my hair. So I've been doing my hair. This is how much of my hair I've gotten finished. So this, I've used 1 pack of this so far, and this hair is actually really soft. It's soft and nice, and it's just like the curls are like, well, not the curls, the twists are like nice and juicy. They feel really fluffy and nice. I've used 1 pack of this. This is how much hair I've got left over from that pack. Then I'm gonna switch to this. Oh, one of the bundles fell. I'm gonna switch to this hair, but this hair isn't as soft as this hair. So but it looks like 2 packs of hair will be good, because what I have been doing is I will take 1 strand, fit it together, and then I'm gonna cut it in half. I will fluff this end and fluff the other end. Then I'm gonna take the other side, match it up, and then I'll fluff some more. Then I'm gonna take my can tool and I'm gonna take the section, rub the can tool into that section, and then I'm gonna match up my hair. I'm gonna take my hair itself and start braiding with the spring twist here. And then I'm gonna start twisting. Sometimes I get the twisting set direction wrong and it will come out wrong, and if it does, I'm just gonna hold it. Okay, so I'm twisting the correct way. Sometimes I'll be twisting the wrong way and then I have to retwist it, but that's fine. So I'll twist all the way down.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be a sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh, did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen thinking dead. So mama found she to them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see you when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish at 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. Not sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on.
So I'm braiding using the spring twist hair and my hair, and I'm going to take my hair, splitting into two, attach it to each pieces of the spring twist hair and start twisting going down. Right now I'm twisting the hair in the wrong direction and I noticed that, so I am going to unravel the hair and twist it in the correct direction. See, it's the wrong direction, so I'm going to take it out and start twist it in the right direction.
Yeah, young, it's the thing. This was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change. I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me. No, I don't need nobody. Yes, I was so naive. Somehow I'm still all in on me. Yeah, yeah. Way too many times I let the ball drop. Now I'm Steph Curry with the wrist flick, so they cold shoulders never defrost. No deal, but I pre-floss with the money tree in a deep pot. So I'm Cornell Haynes with the rundown. Jump all in the field with the cleats off. Everything that I wanted to reach, I had the tunnel vision, couldn't see far. Negative vibes that I feed off got me up and down like a seesaw. All these decoys hit the destroy. Usually keep it poised, but it's ultra violent with the power moves when I deploy. For the real ones, I wanna feel something. Looking for a sign that I might be worth your time. Yeah. When I look into your eyes, it make me feel alive. I don't know what this is, yeah, but I feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you.